So you want to make money as an affiliate marketer. You're checking out Master Affiliate Profits, and you've probably already looked at my other videos. And if you haven't, check them out because I explain my $5,000 YouTube viral funnel bonus in detail in a previous video. So just check it out on my channel. But today I'm going to talk about another bonus, a bonus that I really haven't highlighted, but my members just love. And that is my Daily Dose email series, 365 Days of Motivation. So I'm going to walk you through a snippet of what you get and why this is another game changer when you join my Master Affiliate Profits team or a member of my Master Affiliate Profits team through their affiliate link. Let's get started. We believe that great communication is a key to successful marketing. And when you're looking at joining Master Affiliate Profits, you want to be able to communicate messages to your enrollees that will help them take action, get motivated, and stay engaged with the Master Affiliate Profits platform. That's the secret to creating long-term reoccurring income. So wouldn't it be nice to make a sale, enroll a person at $97 a month as a platinum member, and have them succeed as a platinum member by enrolling other members into their business, thus generating you a tier 2 commission? Well, that's what Daily Dose 365 Days of Motivational Emails is all about. So here you have right before your eyes the sequence. This is the first part of a sequence. It contains 365 emails. And as people opt in, and you get this for free, this value of this course with 365 days of emails written for you that motivate your member to take action inside of Master Affiliate Profits, it's worth thousands upon thousands of dollars. And I'm going to show you the individual emails in a moment, but you get it for free when you join my team or a member of my team's team, and you have giveaway rights for this. This is a true game changer. So here you see they enter into the system. There's a slight delay. They get their first daily email. 1 day delay, they get another email. And this continues on for 365 days. So let's go and look at one of the emails that they're going to get on day 1 and why we're sending this particular email and why it makes such a big difference to your success. Well, here we go. I'm showing my age. I had to put my glasses on to actually show you this email and why it's so important. So during my career, I've owned 5 major companies and had over 1 million people that I've helped achieve success with online businesses and work from home businesses. And as I said, communication is absolutely the key to your success. And so there's another element to success, and that's making sure people are motivated. So of course, on day 1, when somebody joins your Master Affiliate Profit team, they're excited. And remember, they're going to be joining because they're going to have entered into Master Affiliate Profits by way of your free 10-part YouTube viral funnel. And if you haven't, check out that video on my $5,000 bonus that you'll get if you join my team or a member of my team's team. So here's this email. This is the very first email in the series, and it's been designed specifically to achieve a purpose. So of course it'll say, "Dear John, dear Karen, welcome to Master Affiliate Profits Daily Motivational Email Series." And it goes through a little bit of information that helps them get started. And then there's the first motivational quote. And the first quote says, "I choose what and who I become by my own actions. I am not limited or determined by what happened to me." Now, this is an unknown author, but it has the effect of getting people into the habit of viewing the emails. And so I've signed it, and it has a very, very special offer. They get this course right away on how to get things done fast, the procrastination killer. So during my time as a motivational coach, and now I'm your coach, you will find that many people will join your business. And when they join your business, what overtakes them more than anything else is procrastination. People tend to focus on the wrong things in life. For example, some people will focus on the importance of watching a television program rather than doing the things necessary to achieve success so that they can enjoy a lifestyle of freedom, financial freedom, being able to travel wherever they want, whenever they want, being able to, as a parent, have the time for your children or have the time for your spouse. And so I've put in here a free course immediately. It's valued at $69.97, and they get this course immediately upon joining. And of course, I'm giving you this entire giveaway series. And let me make something very clear here. You're not just getting this and having to host it. No, I'm paying for all of the hosting, all of the emailing, all of the follow-up, all of the maintenance, all of the things necessary to keep this active. The only thing that you have to do is to direct your people to the enrollment page, and I even have written the scripts for you to include in your Aweber account, and they're going to start to get this daily dose, 365 days of email motivation, all on autopilot. This is the first one. We're going to start them off by welcoming them to your team, and then we're going to start them off by helping them overcome procrastination, which means they're going to be engaged with their Master Affiliate Profits business. And that means that they're going to be engaged and create sales. And those sales for you as a Platinum member will create Tier 2 commissions. How exciting is that? Let's just take a look at one more. This is day 30. So in your first 30 days of a new member joining your team, they will have received 30 motivational emails helping them stay focused on their Master Affiliate Profits business. What is that worth to you? We believe it's worth a lot, and you deserve a lot in your life, and you get this for free. So let's take a look at the email from day 30. Welcome to day 30 of our Master Affiliate Profits motivational series. Today's quote, Maya Angelou. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. And so the idea of this is to make them understand that change comes through action. And so we start to share with them insights, and we continue to focus in on their Master Affiliate Profits. So here we go. At Master Affiliate Profits, we encourage and nurture this process of growth. Our platform is designed to support you at every stage of your affiliate marketing journey, from basics to advanced strategies. Our comprehensive training modules are tailored to help you progress at your own pace. Moreover, being part of Master Affiliate Profits community means you're surrounded by individuals who have embarked on similar journeys of transformation. Some members of our community have evolved from beginners to super affiliates, and their stories are a testament to what's possible with dedication and right resources. And so again, I sign it. And here's the quote. And below each of these, and these are more than just keepsakes, a person should save these emails because they can refer back to them. So there's the My Map logo that I created for the team. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit to the changes that has gone through to achieve that beauty. Maya Angelou. Be that butterfly. Join my team or a member of my team. Claim this bonus and claim your success with Master Affiliate Profits. When you join my team or a member of my team's team, you get access to a group that does regular motivational sessions, regular training sessions online, and you will be part of a success team. Everybody's fighting for you. You deserve to have people looking out for your success, and we're here to provide that. And it's only available through my team. I'm Dori O'Neill. Join Master Affiliate Profits either through my link or a link of one of my affiliates. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.